Well, as you all may know or may not know, depending upon how many of my videos you watch, I've got a Swisher Predator brush cut mower. And I've done a lot of stuff to it. And I'm going to do a little mail call here today to show you something that the fine folks at Swisher have sent me. It appears that they noticed some of the videos that I've done, and they have sent me this item to try out. Now, I'm not much for free items. You all know how that kind of goes. So I won't be doing an actual review on this, but I am going to share it with you. Here we go. Got the box open. It looks like we got a couple different things here. A couple belts. And I'll go ahead and unroll this. And I have to say that this was totally 100% unexpected. Check that out. That is an awesome blade. Big mulching gator style blade almost. My blade that I have on that Predator is still brand new, so it'll be a long time before I have to put this blade on. Got some hardware for it as well. That's pretty cool. And a couple replacement belts. And I can definitely use these because I have a tendency to do a lot of damage to belts. But anyhow, hey, huge thanks to the folks at Swisher for sending this stuff to me. Very much appreciate it. I'll check it out. Hopefully it works. I just thought I'd share it with everybody. Thanks for stopping by today. If you want to see the Predator in action, go ahead and click on the links at the end of this video. Consider following us on Instagram. I'd really appreciate that thumbs up like as well. And maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.